Good morning. The team has arrived. Yes, I'm welcoming y'all.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are back again, huh?
Yes.
Happy to see you again. I'm very grateful. I learned that you moved here finally.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hope you are enjoying the place.
I am. I'm still going into the city today with y'all for a few days. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
Good.
Here comes my bed, y'all. It's gonna be installed this morning. How exciting. Mm-hmm. There's my post for my bed, y'all. And see, I took the stuff out of it so it'll be space for him to work. So the man is here to set up the bed.
This is natural and real. People should be aware of this and we should promote this.
That's
We
right.
are tired of importing this, things that, is not about traditional. No, I like this, Anytime I see it, I feel something,
I know. I've been seeing those beds
We
for
have
a
to
couple of years.
patronize them,
Oh,
Everything in the house, as long as they can make it, we should buy it from them.
yeah.
It's natural,
Yeah.
You can feel the nature. This
Yeah.
is perfect.
Yeah, I've been seeing it for years,
But
and I
you
say I
are
wanted
also
it.
special because you're always advocating for what
That's right. It's cooperative
this
economics.
is what we should be all thinking like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
cooperative economics.
The West should buy what we have.
That's
instead
right.
of we buying what, because they're working with our mindset,
That's right.
You see, making theirs best.
Yes,
When we have the best and real ones.
that's right.
Which is, and we have to advocate for that,
Yeah. If you
Look at
can,
the house, so
Yeah.
perfect.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What you need is just you have your enough food around you, you have your fridge and everything, you store everything, and you have your walkaway, flowers.
yeah.
So it will be better as we move on gradually. It will
Yes,
be better.
yes.
I hope so, inshallah. Like everything, so
Yeah.
keep it up. We are proud of you.
Thank you. Yes, I believe in cooperative economics, y'all, all the way from the local bamboo beds that I've been seeing for years. The local mattress by Gambian. Before you buy that secondhand imported stuff. They coming to assemble this bed today. Can you imagine service like that they gotta assemble it in your house? Cool, y'all. First time ever I had a custom bed assembled for me.
Look at the material within reach, and it's possible you can make life or change life.
Yes.
And this is something that is connected to the heart, because the fact that we have animals with us, we have the cow with us. Then how do we make use of the best part of all the anything that come from them?
Yes.
Because here they are not only reusing waste, but it's so artistic and so unique, and it's very close to culture, and it's something that anybody will appreciate.
Yeah, it's like a chieftaincy chair, like in Black Panther.
It's more than that.
Yeah, Wakanda. It's Wakanda forever chair.
I think, whatever you spend on this, it's worth it, It's worth it. Oh, this is great. And this all cow horn for you.
Yeah, they got it in Senegal.
Senegal, mashallah.
And then they made it in the Gambia.
People are creative.
Yes.
They are creative.
But I've seen it before in Cameroon. They have some similar, but giant for the chiefs.
But all out of cow horn, or is it
It might be even elephant tusk.
elephant tusk? But this is good.
Yeah, but you know it's in the same style.
Let me check on our dear people and see.
Mm-hmm. I'm drinking a little Thai tea, y'all. I tried to limit it since I'm diabetic. I have to give them some of that raw sugar so they can start making it healthier anyways. They use the white sugar, and that's why I be limiting myself. Because if I drink too much of it, I mess with my blood sugar. The foam is interesting. More progress, y'all. Slowly by slowly, more progress. The bed stays so I can put in the whole mattress inside. Y'all. He's applying the final touch to it, y'all. The stain to the leather. The final step, y'all. Putting on the stain where it looks like one uniform bed. I hope y'all enjoyed the assembly of the bed. Now,
75 66 947.
and what's your name?
Olivia.
Okay. And he's right there on the side of the road on the way to the traffic light.
I'm from Guinea Conakry.
He from Guinea Conakry. All right. Anything else you want to say?
Thank you.
All right.
Good morning. Good morning, my brother. To all our viewers, this is just like we want to share experience. If you look at the soil today, if you water for 2-3 weeks, it compact. It becomes very hard for water to enter. So in order to encourage percolation, aeration, so you must do the turning. That's why what I am recommending here, at least every 2 weeks, we should be able to turn the soil to encourage air movement and also water percolation. And also the manure we apply, it also facilitates the breaking of the manure and make it very simple and available to the plant. So that's what I am doing, and that's what we started. So far so good, we are impressed, but we can do more. So now after this level, we're going to apply the organic manure. That will be the food for the plant for the rest of its life. So that would help the food also to be at least have continuous supply of nutrients as long as the manure is there. So this is why at this stage, the next thing is to make staking. Our tomatoes started fruiting and they are flowering. So thank God, alhamdulillah. And this is almost 2 weeks ago. So please, agriculture is the lifeblood of the nation. So please, let's not joke with what we are eating, and let's think about how we produce it and how we grow them. And the best way to be safe now is to grow and eat what we grow. Thank you.
Well, guys, I'm relaxing by the pool at the place that I'm staying for just a couple of days for just relaxation, y'all. I didn't even notice I have little dolphins by my door. But anyway, thank you so much for coming to visit us at the Food Forest Project. If you have not subscribed, please do. Comment, like, share down below. If you find it in your heart to donate, please do. That is how we train more people in permaculture at the Food Forest Project, y'all. It is a classroom without walls to teach people how to grow what they eat and eat what they grow. Because of good people like you, we've gone as far as we've gone. Everything you see at the Food Forest has been helped to be created by people like you. The only thing that was a private endeavor is my roundhouse. Because my roundhouse, I paid for it to be built 100%. And y'all know nobody's here forever. So when I do go, it will be for the organization to keep going, y'all. It has just become part of the Food Forest Project, and people will be able to keep looking at it and enjoying it for hopefully many, many years to come. I enjoyed it, and I will keep enjoying it. And the Most High say the same as long as possible, but it definitely will be left to the organization. And I hope many people will be able to enjoy it. Y'all, material things are beautiful, but you cannot take it with you. I see lots of people out here doing things and know that it could all be better. Yes, if people learn to grow what they eat and eat what they grow, people wouldn't have to be begging for bread. The land is too fertile, y'all, not to learn to cultivate the soil and grow exactly what you like to eat. The majority of the things that's good for you is stuff that's vegetarian anyway. Really. So anyway, y'all, until the next time, what? Peace, peace. Power to the people. I'm out, y'all. Bye.